Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming connectivity and signing into the Microsoft account you want associated with Windows. Once signed in, make sure you have the product key or that the device has a digital license. Now open Start, go to Settings, select System, then Activation. This opens the exact controls you need. This step links identity to license management, so take care to use the account you intend to keep. Proceed when you see the activation page and the option to add a product key. Next, decide whether you'll enter a 25-character product key or link an existing digital license to your Microsoft account. If entering a key, choose Change Product Key, type it exactly, and confirm. Windows validates online. If using a digital license, click Add Account, sign into the same Microsoft account, and allow Windows to associate the device ID with that account. Make sure you accept prompts that require admin rights. Once Windows confirms activation, the license is stored in your account for future reactivation. Finish by verifying the activation page reads that Windows is activated and linked to your Microsoft account. This confirms success and enables automatic reactivation after hardware changes. If activation fails, open Activation Troubleshooter, follow the guided steps, and record any error codes shown. These codes explain whether the issue is key-related or account-related. If the troubleshooter can't fix it, contact Microsoft Support with your account email, device ID, and error code so they can reassign or validate the license for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.